The experience was great. It was a bit of a steep learning curve, but I learned a lot. So I'm glad I did this. And the things that I've learned, I think one of the reasons why I wanted to do this jazz ensemble is because I wanted to understand not just music conversation from just one instrument point of view, like just from bass, but I also wanted to see how a saxophone player looks at a tune or how a vocalist would approach it. So, and also communication among different band members. It's like a board that we have to, keep afloat. And so that was very interesting. And that I think that's the most important thing I think I'm taking back. My teacher Aki was great. I learned a lot, the communication with the band. I wasn't much into jazz, so it was a bit of a tricky thing, but I think I wanted to do something that I don't normally do or listen to because I wanted to be out of my comfort zone. So that worked really well. Another thing that's happened, which is very important, is somehow I now know what parts that I want to work on. Like, so it's almost like it's helped me figure out my training path next. So things that I will need to work on and improve. And then also having not just a course where we learn certain things and it ends, but preparing for a performance. And so it's like all of us there's a goal that we were working towards. So that really helped. And today was a performance. The board didn't sing. And, in fact, it was a lot of fun. So yeah, I think I'm taking a lot back. And I really thank my teacher, Aki, my bandmates, Karan, Divya, also everybody here at the Jazz Academy. I really like the vibe here. It's a nice scene that Karan and Divya are creating here. So I'm really inspired and yeah.